Today, I want to take you on a little trip through my town called Nehalem. This is the cutest little town on the Oregon coast, and today we're visiting my close friend's studio, Alyssa Woods. She owns a company called VAVA Lingerie, where she makes incredible custom lingerie in her home studio. And today, we're going to spend a little time with her and watch her sew. She just put out a sewing pattern for the cutest pair of high-waisted underwear, and she's making samples right now. So we're going to hang out in her house, watch her sew some samples, listen to some bossa nova vinyl records, and just really take in the vibe of her studio. Alyssa has been at this for many years now. I think she just celebrated her 10-year anniversary with VAVA Lingerie, which you should definitely check out, vavalingerie.com. She has a bunch of machines, cutting tables, and just impeccable taste for interior decoration. Her and her husband are still building out their house, but in the meantime, even in all of the renovations, they have made it so homey and cute. I absolutely love being here, especially this room. The lighting is it's just to die for. So many awesome things in Alyssa's studio, and if you're interested in checking out her lingerie or her patterns, you should check out vavalingerie.com. She sometimes does workshops and tutorials, and we're also working on a pant pattern together, which I'm really excited for. So stay tuned in September because we're going to release that pant pattern. But in the meantime, check her out and all of her stuff. She is insanely talented and has so many cute things to choose from. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tour. Subscribe to my channel, Lingerie Handmade, for more studio day tours, as well as all things sewing and sewing patterns and inspiration. Thanks so much for watching.